departure, squawk 4226 and the QNH 1017.
EK19, sorry about that, but this high-tech pad I've got in front of me is not working, so I'm going to have pen and paper, so just stand by.
Let me know when you're ready again.
EK19, ready to copy.
EK9009, and cleared back to Manchester, Etihad 1 Romeo departure, squawk 4226 and the QNH 1017.
Manchester, clad 1 Romeo 4226 and 1017, easy 900.
009, read back correct.
And what would be the earliest we could push back?
In 5.
Good with you.
Emirates 19, exactly via Alpha, Charlie, Stan 12.
Alpha, Charlie, Stan 19. Golf finish 1017, request clearance, all got the book.
Flight A6-1 Bravo Romeo, delivery hello, cleared to Gothenburg, Pond Hill 5 Romeo departure, squawk 2005.
Destination via Pond 5 Romeo departure and squawk 2005, Ryanair 600 Romeo taxi.
Flight A6-1 Bravo Romeo, read back correct, call me ready on the tower Regency, 118.630.
Back on 1186-301 ready, Ryanair 600 Romeo taxi. Air 382 Echo, fully ready to taxi.
Ryanair 382 Echo, roger, taxi to Mike 1 and report ready.
Taxi to Mike 1, report ready, Ryanair 382 Echo. Ryanair 382 Echo, approaching Mike 1, fully ready.
Ryanair 382 Echo, roger, via Mike 1, runway 23 right, clear for takeoff, surface wind 290 degrees, 11 knots.
And takeoff, Ryanair, runway 23 right, Ryanair 382 Echo. Tower, good afternoon, EK9 on stand 5, request push and start.
To Echo, contact Scottish Control 134.430.
134.430, runway 382 Echo, bye-bye. Tower, good day again, Ryanair 61 Bravo Romeo, stand 48, QNH 1017, clear to Pole 5 Romeo departure. We are 4084, push and start.
Well, from Bravo, Romeo, Tower, push start approved, stand 48.
Push and start approved, stand 48, Ryanair 61 Bravo Romeo, thanks.
EK9009, Tower.
009, go ahead.
EK9009, how long are you going to be out on your flights around knocking?
Well, it looks like about 30 minutes.
30 minutes, Roger. EK9009, what's your plan at knocking? Are you going to be hanging around there or going over to North Wales?
Routing is Knockham, Wrexham, Wallasey, and then back here.
Roger.
for taxi, Ryanair 61 Bravo Romeo.
61 Bravo Romeo, taxi to hold at Mike 1 before ready.
Taxi to the holding point of Mike 1 to 0, Ryanair 61 Bravo Romeo.
EK9009 taxi. EK9009 taxi to Mike 1. So, Mike 1 for the 9009. If possible, we'd like to depart from intersection hotel. EK9009 and taxi to hotel 1. Direct to hotel 1, thank you.